Test 12. Question 1. This sign is used to warn drivers that A. The right lane is ending and traffic should merge left. B. The road curves ahead. C. There are upcoming intersections. The correct answer: A. The right lane is ending and traffic should merge left. Question 2. Double solid yellow lane markings mean that A. Neither lane may pass. B. Both lanes may pass. C. The lane to the right may pass. The correct answer: A. Neither lane may pass. Question 3. A safety zone is a specially marked area for passengers to get on or off of buses or trolleys. You may not drive through a safety zone. A. When a bus or trolley is present. B. When a bus or trolley is unloading passengers. C. At any time for any reason. The correct answer: C. At any time for any reason. Question 4. You are driving on a freeway with a posted speed limit of 65 miles per hour. Traffic is traveling at 70 miles per hour. You may legally drive A. 70 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic. B. Between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour. C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. The correct answer: C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. Question 5. When crossing a sidewalk to enter traffic from an alley or driveway, drivers should A. Stop only if pedestrians are on the sidewalk. B. Stop before driving onto the sidewalk or sidewalk area. C. Expect pedestrians on the sidewalk to yield the right-of-way. The correct answer: B. Stop before driving onto the sidewalk or sidewalk area. Question 6. When driving in fog, it is best to drive with A. High beam headlights. B. Low beam headlights. C. Four-way flashers. The correct answer: B. Low beam headlights. Question 7. When you see an emergency vehicle approaching while using its flashing lights, you must A. Maintain your speed and stay in your lane until the vehicle has passed. B. Move into the right lane and drive slowly until the vehicle has passed. C. Pull over to the curb or edge of the road and stop until the vehicle has passed. The correct answer: C. Pull over to the curb or edge of the road and stop until the vehicle has passed. Question 8. If your wheels drop off the roadway or pavement edge, you should A. Wait until it is safe to do so, then gradually re-enter the roadway. B. Turn back onto the roadway immediately. C. Stop. The correct answer: A. Wait until it is safe to do so, then gradually re-enter the roadway. Question 9. If you hit an animal with your vehicle while driving on a California highway, you should A. Move the injured animal off the road. B. Call the Humane Society. C. Continue driving. The correct answer: B. Call the Humane Society. Question 10. As you enter into a roundabout, you should slow down and A. Yield to any crossing pedestrians and bicyclists. B. Yield to any car already within the roundabout. C. Both of the above. The correct answer: C. Both of the above. Question 11. This road sign means A. No right turn. B. Drive only in the direction of the arrow. C. Curve ahead. The correct answer: B. Drive only in the direction of the arrow. Question 12. You are getting ready to make a right turn. You should A. Signal and turn immediately. B. Stop before entering the right lane and let all other traffic go first. C. Slow down or stop, if necessary, and then make the turn. The correct answer: C. Slow down or stop, if necessary, and then make the turn. Question 13. Streets and highways are most slippery. A. When it has been raining hard for several hours. B. When they are clean and dry. C. Just after it starts to rain. The correct answer: C. Just after it starts to rain. Question 14. Pedestrians crossing at corners have the right of way. A. Only at controlled intersections. B. Only when a crosswalk is painted on the street. C. Whether or not a crosswalk is marked. The correct answer. C. Whether or not a crosswalk is marked. Question 15. You are involved in a minor collision at an intersection. There are no injuries and there is very little vehicle damage. You should A. Leave your vehicle in the traffic lane until law enforcement arrives. B. Move your vehicle out of the traffic lane, if possible. C. Not move your vehicle for any reason. The correct answer. B. Move your vehicle out of the traffic lane, if possible. Question 16. If your car begins to skid out of control, you should A. Pump the brakes. B. Apply the brakes lightly. C. Stay off the brakes. The correct answer. C. Stay off the brakes. Question 17. If you are riding in a vehicle equipped with a lap belt and a separate shoulder belt, you are A. Only required to use the lap belt. B. Required to use both the lap and shoulder belts. C. Only required to use the shoulder belt. The correct answer. B. Required to use both the lap and shoulder belts. Question 18. When passing, you should move back into the right lane when A. You are one vehicle length ahead of the passed vehicle. B. You can see both headlights of the passed vehicle in your rearview mirror. C. You are 50 feet ahead of the passed vehicle. The correct answer. B. You can see both headlights of the passed vehicle in your rearview mirror. Question 19. This sign means A. Upcoming downgrade or hill. B. Road construction area. C. Upcoming narrowing of roadway. The correct answer. A. Upcoming downgrade or hill. Question 20. If the driver of an oncoming vehicle fails to dim their headlights. A. Look toward the center of the roadway. B. Look toward the right side of the road. C. Look straight ahead. The correct answer. B. Look toward the right side of the road. Question 21. All of the following are dangerous to do while driving. Which is also illegal? A. Wearing a headset that covers both ears. B. Having one or more interior lights on. C. Using cruise control on residential streets. The correct answer. A. Wearing a headset that covers both ears. Question 22. When driving under low visibility conditions due to fog, you should A. Turn on your high beam headlights. B. Slow down and use your low beam headlights. C. Increase your speed so you do not cause an accident. The correct answer. B. Slow down and use your low beam headlights. Question 23. To avoid last-minute moves, you should be looking down the road to where your vehicle will be in about A. 5 to 10 seconds. B. 10 to 15 seconds. C. 15 to 20 seconds. The correct answer. B. 10 to 15 seconds. Question 24. When should you yield your legal right-of-way? A. Often, even at controlled intersections. B. Whenever it helps prevent collisions. C. Never. It confuses other drivers. The correct answer. B. Whenever it helps prevent collisions. Question 25. Allow extra space in front of your vehicle when following A. Station wagon. B. Passenger vehicle. C. Motorcycle. The correct answer. C. Motorcycle. Question 26. You may legally block an intersection. A. If you enter the intersection on the green light. B. During rush hour traffic. C. Under no circumstances. The correct answer. C. Under no circumstances. Question 27. Various traffic control devices in construction and maintenance work areas are the color A. Red. B. Orange. C. Yellow. The correct answer. B. Orange. Question 28. The speed limit on a school zone where children are present is, unless otherwise posted: A. 15 miles per hour. B. 25 miles per hour. C. 20 miles per hour. The correct answer: B. 25 miles per hour. Question 29. Three of the most important times to check for traffic behind you are before: A. Backing, making a sharp turn, or crossing an intersection. B. Backing, changing lanes, or slowing down quickly. C. Changing lanes, crossing intersections, or slowing down quickly. The correct answer: B. Backing, changing lanes, or slowing down quickly. Question 30. At a crosswalk: A. You must yield to pedestrians. B. Pedestrians must yield to you. C. Construction workers must yield to you. The correct answer: A. You must yield to pedestrians. Question 31. Make room for cars that are entering the freeway by: A. Slowing down. B. Merging into a different lane. C. Maintaining your speed and position. The correct answer: B. Merging into a different lane. Question 32. A curb painted red means: A. Loading zone. B. The area is reserved for picking up or dropping off passengers. C. No parking, standing, or stopping. The correct answer: C. No parking, standing, or stopping. Question 33. The best thing to do if you become tired while driving is to: A. Stop to rest or change drivers. B. Drink coffee. C. Open a window. The correct answer: A. Stop to rest or change drivers. Question 34. Abandoning an animal on the highway may result in: A. Jail time. B. A point against your license. C. No legal consequences. The correct answer: A. Jail time. Question 35. When is it legal for minors to use a cell phone without a hands-free device while driving? A. When making a call while stopped at the red light. B. When making a call for emergency assistance. C. Never. The correct answer: B. When making a call for emergency assistance. Question 36. If a traffic signal light is green and a police officer signals for you to stop, you should: A. Obey the officer. B. Obey the traffic signal. C. Do what the vehicle in front of you does. The correct answer: A. Obey the officer.